Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady, also known as My Dear Forensic Lady. So here it is, chapter 41. Let's read the story. Back to Team Song. And now, Dr. Lin has also arrived on the scene. Dr. Lin, until now, she was snorting. Well, probably she can get over on what happened last night. That's why she was still angry. Officer Song. But Officer Song right now, she want to grab her hand to help her stand up. But Dr. Lin, she want to avoid her. She rushly take her hands back so she cannot hold her hands. But Officer Song, she really hold her grips. Looking to her surprise, Dr. Lin, she was really fussed. She was thinking, this girl, she was teasing her again. Although she was clearly remember what happened on last night. Still, Officer Song right now is trying to be civil, pretending nothing happens last night. Well, this Officer Song seems to be tricky, but remembering how she became vulnerable last night, especially in front of Officer Song. Of course, right now, she has an ego to protect on. Dr. Lin, right now, rashly grabbed her hands back, leaving Officer Song's hand hangs into the air. Well, for her, of course, she really can't forget her. What happened last night really caused pain to the two of them, especially Officer Song. She has really a terrible injury last night. Well, she can help on. Dr. Lin, she was really a black belter. Right now, Officer Song seems to be puzzled. Well, she really deserved it, right? After hurting Dr. Lin last night, of course, she was still angry to her. But some of the bones of her still intact. Dr. Lin, she really trying to did not harm her so much. Right now, Dr. Lin focused on investigation to get some evidence and clues. Well, let's hope evidence is not messed up again. There was a large pool of blood. The scene in the shapes of column, high infiltrations on the ground. Well, maybe the victim, she really did it to herself. Skull is thin and the muscles lines are not obvious. Forehead is vertical and the top is flat. Should it be female? Deceased one. Well, right now, she's trying to figure out. Maybe it was really hard to figure it out. Judging from the degree of tooth loss, the deceased was very young, less than 18 years old. Oh, Dr. Lin, she was really good at this. Right now, she's trying to get the sample. Well, she picked up the lost teeth. Probably she knows each of the person based on the teeth. Well, right now, looking at her, she really looks serious. On the other hand, the other officer was there also. Sister Lin, is this? Right now, they've been curious. The lost one that she already picked up. Several fragments. Dr. Lin, right now, is trying to find out what's the possible way how these incidents happen. She looks really serious. Well, probably right now. It was the opposite. And she was really surprised. Looking into it, probably she has a clue. Right now, she can reveal it to Officer Song. Probably the two of them might contradict again. Officer Song, right now, she's trying to give her a napkin to place the evidence on that napkin. Well, Officer Song, she was clearly doubt, right? Looking at her face, she really looks at her with a serious face. Right now, Dr. Lin said to her, "Get lost, I don't need that." Officer Song, she was really surprised by the action of Dr. Lin and said to her, "Oh, well, she really don't want any help from Officer Song right now. Captain Song, I just asked the driver of the truck what is the cause of the accident. His grandson drank a lot of last night. Oh, it turns out it was a boy. It was really sad. The accidents happen. Seems to Dr. Lin right now, not crushed to death. Deceased was under 18 years old female. Oh, it turns out not a boy but a female. What? Time of death should be around 4 o'clock in the morning last night. The fracture is consistent with the characteristic of a high fall injury. You mean she fell into death? Officer Song, right now. Looking at her, she really looks interested. It was contrary to the driver said to them. Well, this is something fishy. Right, the soil there is obviously darker than there. It's probably where it fell. Well, she was right. There was a stain of blood can be found on that soil. Dr. Lin, she was pointing it out. For now, Officer Song, he was listening to her. I'll take a few people up to have a look. Officer Song said to Dr. Lin. Well, at least right now. But they become serious on each other's work. Officer Song, she was gathering the evidence. She came back to the rooftop of the building. Looking at it, see a paper. The rooftop, maybe. It was a proper evidence. Kim Song has seen it all. There were no signs of fighting on the rooftop. Well, the other officer said to her. But right now, Officer Song seems to be worried that there is some clue that's missing. There's only one person fingerprint on the door lock. Found this from the corner over there. Well, this piece of paper maybe. You can find a fingerprint to solve the problem. Officer Song, right now, she was looking at the clear paper, seeing like it was the evidence only left on the scene. Right now, they should really need to take care of it, not to lose a lot of evidence, especially, this is really crucial on investigation. Legacy book. Right now, Officer Song, she was thinking again. After clearing the evidence, the officer and Dr. Lin and Officer Song came back to the police station. I don't have a breakfast and my stomach felt so bad. Dr. Lin, right now, feels so hungry. Seems that they don't have an appetite. Seeing the case like now, Forensic Lin, how did you do this? Well, all of them has no appetite except for her that she was really hungry. That's why her colleagues are really confused on her. Officer Song, right now, looking at her, looks really silly. Like, Forensic Dr. Lin right now, she's barking like a dog. How else can I do it? Now, she's really getting angry because she was really hungry for now. Well, let's hope we have a proper evidence to really solve the case fast. But let's spill their stomach, especially Dr. Lin. He was always hungry. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!